Hey everyone, welcome back to Bez Reviews. Today we're checking out the DJI Power 1000 V2 portable power station. This robust unit promises to keep all your gear running, whether you are off-grid or facing a power outage. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into what makes this power station a notable option for your power needs. Welcome to Bez Reviews as we dive into the DJI Power 1000 V2, a portable power station designed for adventurers and creators. Let's start by looking at its core power and performance capabilities. This unit packs a serious punch for its size, offering a robust energy supply for a wide range of devices. Its rapid charging feature means less downtime and more power when you need it most, whether you are off-grid or facing an emergency situation. The DJI Power 1000 V2 features a 1024 watt-hours LFP battery, providing substantial power to run most of your essential appliances, from kettles to power tools. This power station recharges incredibly fast, reaching an 80% charge in a remarkable 37 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime during your travels or work. It boasts dual 140 watts USB-C ports, delivering a total of 280 watts, which is 40% more power than many standard setups, perfect for charging high-demand devices. Operating at a mere 26 dB, the DJI Power 1000 V2 is ultra-silent, allowing you to use it indoors or overnight in an RV without any significant noise disturbance. Overall, this power station demonstrates strong performance across the board with its high capacity, rapid charging, and quiet operation, making it highly adaptable for various scenarios. Beyond raw power, the longevity and overall ownership experience of a portable power station are crucial. Let's examine the DJI Power 1000 V2's durability and value proposition. DJI has focused on robust construction and safety features, which is essential for a product handling this much power. While the initial price is attractive, understanding the full scope of required accessories is important for long-term satisfaction. With a 10-year LFP battery lifespan, intelligent BMS, and flame retardant housing, this power station offers exceptional durability and safety for peace of mind. DJI offers a generous 5-year warranty, which is a strong indicator of their confidence in the product's reliability and provides excellent long-term support. A key point to note is that both MPPT and car charging modules are not built in, meaning you'll need separate adapters for these convenient charging options. Priced at $399.98 with a discount from its list price, the DJI Power 1000 V2 offers good value for its feature set, especially with its robust battery and fast charging. In summary, the DJI Power 1000 V2 impresses with its long-lasting and safe battery, backed by a strong warranty, but remember to factor in potential costs for additional charging accessories. The DJI Power 1000 V2 is a strong contender for anyone needing reliable portable power. Its high capacity, incredibly fast charging, and advanced safety features make it stand out. While you will need to purchase separate adapters for solar and car charging, its overall performance, long battery life, and excellent warranty offer significant value. This power station is a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts, DIY projects, or simply as a dependable home backup solution.